High above Florence, the bells of Palazzo Vecchio slept beneath their stone arches, silent sentinels over the city's red roofs. But when dawn brushed the Arno River in silver, the first bell stirred. Its deep bronze voice rolled across the piazzas, walked pigeons to the drinking fountains. Centuries ago, those same bells had called citizens to gather to celebrate, to defend. Now their echo lingered between the narrow streets like a memory of courage and pride. As the final note faded into the morning light, Florence itself seemed to pause, listening to its own heartbeat in the sky.